Hello, everyone. Today's digital age, protecting your privacy is essential. If you're using Viber and wish to limit the data it collects, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the steps to disable data collection. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. Next, scroll down and select Personal Data. Finally, toggle off the option labeled Collect Analytics. This action will stop Viber from gathering activity data aimed at improving product performance. Remember, disabling this feature won't affect your ability to use Viber's core functions, but it will limit the app's ability to personalize content and improve services based on your usage data. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your privacy on Viber. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your app settings ensures better control over your personal information. Stay informed and secure